A flight termination system is the system that we use to make sure that if the vehicle doesn't perform the way we want it to, that we can take action to keep everyone safe. We build a boundary around the rocket, which we can see on a map. And if the rocket leaves that area that we've defined, we'll then take terminate action. The flight termination system on a rocket is generally divided into two pieces. On the rocket will be the systems that actually either terminate the thrust or break apart the vehicle. And at the ground station, we have the ability to actually communicate with the rocket to tell it when it's done something it's not supposed to and activate the systems on the rocket. We continuously get a stream of data down from the rocket through a radio signal. That data, the telemetry, tells us the health and status of the rocket. So it'll tell us if the flight termination system is still working, if the rocket is traveling in the direction it's supposed to, the velocity, the position, all of the information about the rocket, which we can use in real time to decide whether or not we can continue to allow the rocket to fly.
The Pacific Spaceport Complex Alaska serves a wide range of functions depending on what our customers need. Our main function is around public safety and ensuring that the land, air, and waterway are closed and safe from anybody during the launch.
My job is to make sure when the flight safety operator sends a command to the rocket, that the command gets to the rocket. So I monitor the whole communications chain from him out to the rocket itself. We receive all the information that the flight safety officers need to make a decision on whether the rocket is still safe to continue flying. We have two redundant systems. We usually have an A and a B side. So if anything happens with one string, it automatically switches over to the other one.
Footprint of a flight termination system really can be made quite small, and they're mobile on ships. There are several aircraft that have the capability to do flight termination, and even in some cases they can be deployed on flatbed trucks or other resources to allow us to do flight termination from anywhere in the country, really, or globally. The specific system can vary from rocket to rocket. They can break the rocket into pieces. They can deactivate the engine so that it falls into the water. But the main goal is to prevent the rocket from continuing to fly once we've activated the system.